What is up, seasoning gang and cravers? I got a new video for you today, but we're about to have my baby and my mom's birthday party. As you can see, the ages back there. No, my baby is not 266. Anyway, we're gonna be smoking a turkey today as well. Who's ready for that? Let's get it. Let's go. Every year when I'm smoking turkeys, I always think about when my little turkey was roasting and how blessed I am to have my wife and my son. So I'm about to show you some pictures. This is in dedication to them. I love y'all. It's sucker white frozen young turkey. No antibiotics. From Family Farm. All right, little Craver's gonna be in the back, and he's probably gonna be a little loud every once in a while, but you know how it goes. So normally I make my own butter injection, but I kind of like this stuff whenever I'm doing spatchcock. We got some Tony Sachet butter injection, some buttermilk, some Cavender's, paprika, Applewood rub, and some of the spicy Texas rub I picked up when we first moved down to Texas. Got some Lipton onion soup mix and 2 sticks of unsalted butter. All right, let's go ahead and get this turkey cut open. And Craver's talking in the background. You know he's part of this video. Go ahead and take this little thermometer dilly out that they give you at the store, because this is going on the smoker. Won't need that. So the first thing you want to do is reach into the neck and pull this pack out. Whoa! Next thing you want to do is reach into the bottom and pull this neck out. All right, so now let's get this thing flipped over. We're gonna take this little clamp off the feet. You're gonna get a pair of cutting shears that I showed you in past videos. They look like scissors. Cut up one side of the spine and come back down the other side of the spine. You should take that entire spine out of there. All right, so there are the shears that I use. Normally you see me with my KitchenAids, but I'm using my mom's this time. And CJ's new favorite word is whoa, whoa, whoa. Any of you that are just now watching or whatever, go ahead and comment, like and subscribe. But my child is always with me, and all of my OG subscribers accept him. So thank you for watching. Anyway, here's the spine that you're gonna cut out. Let's grab that bad boy and flip it over. So now at this time, it's gonna take both hands, or either one hand, but you're gonna press down on that breastbone and break it. Go ahead and break all of that. Smooth those scissors.
All right, first thing we're gonna do is shake this up right now. We're gonna do a small bone or something, so we'll start injecting this turkey.
All right, so take your 2 sticks of butter and stick them in the microwave for just a few minutes with the package still on it, just to soften it up a bit. Yeah, I'm using party plates from the baby's party. The butter is soft. Take that injection needle out of the package and go ahead and wash that out really good. Bring it back to your turkey. Also, I'd like to tell you, please forgive me for this video. Camera may be a little shaky and everything because I got to use my iPhone. When we were packing the house to move, I packed the camera up, the tripod, everything, all my cooking utensils. So I'm buying stuff as I go, whatever my mom doesn't have. Anyway, take that needle that you've washed. It's going to be on the inside. Screw it in. Go ahead and start poking your turkey. You don't want to make big gashes. Just put little holes all around your turkey. All right, so now what you want to do is take that melted butter that's probably going to be trying to come out of those packs. Just take one stick and set it right on top. You can open that sucker right on top. Just like so. You're going to take both hands and start rubbing it all over the turkey. This is going to be your binder. Normally I use mustard on pork and sometimes on beef. But we're going to be using butter on this turkey. Makes it so juicy. So, in the process of doing this, you want to raise the legs up. Just act like you're putting lotion on your body. Get everything oiled up. All right, at this time, use one hand to lift with and one hand to season with. You don't want to cross-contaminate your seasoned packets. All right, first, we're going to use this Cavender's. We're going to cover it. So, start with the legs closed. Start with everything closed. Just go ahead and hit the entire turkey. Then raise the leg up. Get in between there. That one up. Hit it. Raise the wing up. Hit it. Raise the other wing up. Hit it. Next, paprika. Go all over that sucker with that paprika. Wood, season, the rub. Go ahead and just spicy Texas roll. Just a little bit. All right, everything's all over that turkey. I massaged it really good for like 5 minutes. Any lumps that you have like this, let them fall down in the pan. Now let's get this turkey flipped over on the breast side. All right, so there's 2 things we're gonna do different on this side. We're gonna add our Lipton onion soup mix on this side, pack it in. All right, so now go ahead and fill your needle up. Once you get it full, I'm about to show you a little something. All right, so the moment you've been waiting for me to inject this bad boy. I like to inject mine from the back up, hitting all of the really thick parts of the turkey, simply because I like for that to go right back down into the breast, back down into the thigh, and stay there while it soaks overnight or for 2 days, however long that I do it. And usually whenever I turn my turkey breast up, all the juice just goes back down to the backbone area. So with me leaving it upside down like this, it keeps everything full of this marinade while it's soaking and waiting and marinating. All right, so during the process of doing this, when you're just about finished, it should look like your turkey has had Botox or either some kind of lip fillers or something. All right, now that you're finally done injecting, shake that buttermilk, pour it all over this turkey so it'll soak in to all those holes that you poked. Just go all over the top of it. Don't have to worry about your seasoning going anywhere because that butter's gonna hold it. Leave it breast side down. That way everything will soak up into that breast and keep it juicy the entire time while it's smoking.
All right, before we even get started, yeah, you see I got on a different color shirt because this is gonna be a 2-day process. Let's get it, let's go.
All right, so let's get a temperature set on this thing. We want it at 275. Let's go up some more, 240, 245, 50s. Keep going, 275. All right, seasoning gang and cravers, what I have here is one of these disposable grill toppers that I'm about to take the turkey out and sit it on there. Okay, this is how your turkey should be looking on your rack. If it's not flat like that, you need to press down on that breastbone and break it. All right, let's go ahead and stick this inside the smoker. All right, I got the drip pan down there to catch the juice, and that juice will keep this turkey hydrated. So we're gonna leave this sucker in here for 2 hours before I come back out and check it. And what do I always have when I'm smoking? Come on, my OG subscribers. That's right, my lucky spray bottle filled with apple juice. As usual, we got the Applewood smoke going. You want to start your smoke going early on like that so that the flavor will get inside of the turkey and you won't have that real woody, burnt, over smoked taste there at the end. All right, seasoning gang and cravers, it's been right at 2 hours. You already know how I do it. Got a new bottle because everything else got packed up when I moved. Anyway, let's get it. Let's go. All right, guys, you're seeing it for the first time just like I am. I'm going to go ahead and get that bad boy squirted down with this apple juice. All right, seasoning gang and cravers. As soon as the smoke clears, you'll be able to see exactly what we got going on here. Look at that turkey. Okay, there it is at the 4-hour mark. It's getting just as brown as I want it to be. But I'm going to let it cook for another hour because I want this sucker to be golden brown. All right, so let's go ahead and spray it with some apple juice. Keep it nice and moist. You don't have to keep putting that butter on there. Just put you some applesauce on, apple juice on there, not applesauce. All right, the turkey is done. We're about to take it inside.